because I love a good sale. Yo, I love how you had the Vaseline all over your face and now it's all over your shades. You doing it. You doing it. I can't even say nothing else about it. Oh yeah. How do you like this one? Do you like this? Yeah? Okay, that's a good sign. Baby likes it. Kota, I found you some jean shorts. You can have it. Do you like it? This is the reaction that I expect when people have me out in the stores all day shopping for six people. You like this? Oh my goodness, it's a hit. Kota, yeah, I think this was cute too. Let me see. Show me. What do you think? You like it? Let me see if it goes with your shades. Let me see. Does it go with your shades? All right, we don't like that one as much. No, you did not just throw the shirt away like that. I thought that was a nice shirt. Well, whatever. It was $3. You're gonna wear it a couple times. Oh. Hey, y'all. Kota, you say hey? Say hey to the people. Oh, it's giving relaxation. Now, are you gonna help me pack is the question. You gonna help me pack? So, now that there's a strike happening, Devale is home. And I can't say that I am upset about having more time home with my husband, because that's what we so desperately were missing, especially last year. Like, it was a whirlwind, top of the year. So busy, right? So busy. So I wanted to make the most of the summer because I know typically summers fly by. Like, as a kid, it's like you go through the school year, it's like, oh, summertime is almost here. And then the next thing you know, it's like, oh, I'm in summer, and then you blink and it's over. Now, as an adult with children in school, it goes even faster. So I really try to make the most of the summer. This first half of the summer, which I would say June, because they have all of June and July, June was a lot of just kind of chilling around the house. We had some family come to town. Jackson had friends over frequently. We were kind of just doing a lot of chilling at home, swim lessons, things like that. Travel was July. So Devale and I were in Italy right after our anniversary, and then took the kids to the Bahamas for just the 6 of us trip, which was really, really nice. So now I am unpacking the Bahamas suitcases to repack because Devale's family is having, I want to say, the 2nd annual family trip to Mexico. So last year we weren't able to go because we were actually filming our travel show. So if you guys haven't watched yet, on YouTube with Go USA, we went to Birmingham, the Grand Canyon, DC, and New Orleans. We missed the travel show. We missed the family trip because of the travel show last year. And the kids were heartbroken because there were like 60-something family members on Devale's side. So I promised them that no matter what was happening this year, I was going to make sure that they get to Mexico for the family trip. Now, as luck would have it, Devale gets his filming schedule for Zatima, and he's supposed to be reporting to film this week. That means that he would have been filming all of this week, or doing his fittings this week, to film all of next week and the week after, meaning he would miss Mexico. But now, since there's a strike, in honor of it, I'm wearing my BET Plus socks. You know, you can still stream the shows, stream Zatima. My baby's a star. The gag is that no one knows Devale is going to be coming to the trip in Mexico. So his family doesn't know. The kids don't know. We are going to make it the ultimate surprise. So Devale is just riding with the story that Tyler's still gonna write, the studio's still open, and he's going to film. But we're gonna be surprising the kids that morning, and we're gonna be surprising Devale's family when we get to Mexico. Oh, Kota, look, mommy got you sunglasses. So Kota was obsessed with everyone's sunglasses this past trip, so I had to get him his own. So he got a pair of Spider-Man sunglasses. Kota, look, mommy got your glasses. Come, let me show you. Put them on. All right, I'll help you. These are your size. Wow, look at my little Bearsy. Bearsy, you look so nice. I love, oh, there he is. Yeah, go Kota. Go Kota. Go Kota. Well, oh yeah. Oh wow. Yo, you're so fly. I can't even deal. You know what? I ain't wearing sunglasses ever again in life. You know why? He got it. What I try to do is take 2 suitcases and each child has a side, right? So 4 sides, 2 suitcases. What tends to happen with Cairo and Kaz's stuff is that they get confused sometimes because their sizes are so close. So on Amazon, I found these little baggies here. So I have like a turquoise, I have a dark green, I have a gray, and I have a blue. I feel like if I'm able to pack their stuff in the respective colors, it's like, okay, your underwear, Cairo, will be in the turquoise bags. Your clothes are in the turquoise bag. So everything in turquoise is for you. Or at least that's how it's going to happen in my mind. You see me over here. I don't know where to start. I think what's throwing me off is the unpacking to repack. But like some of the things that they wore in the Bahamas, and we took pictures, and I'm like, do I want them to wear that again, or do I get different clothes? So I might have to go upstairs and find some different clothes to mix and match. Essentially though, during the day, all they do is wear swim trunks. So gotta have an abundance of swim trunks. Let's start there. So Devale, you know, because my baby been in the gym, he and I trying to get together. I tried to find swim trunks for Devale that have a bigger in and out seam or whatever the hell. But they're a little bit bigger, they're a little bit longer. So we'll save his little European shortcuts for when we're in Europe. When he's with the kids though, I got him something a little bit bigger. And you see the underwear part in here is like, you see, stretchy. See baby, I'll be thinking about you and the balls. And I want to make sure that they can breathe and do what they're supposed to do. So, nice and airy. So, got Devale some new swim trunks. And baby, I will Walmart it. I will Target it. Wherever got a sale at a discount. Sidebar, found this cute little slip dress for myself at Target. $20. I thought it was kind of cute. It's giving summertime vibes. You know, it's giving light, airy, slipping on. Don't gotta do too much. And then I got another slip dress in this little purple, which I thought again was very cute. Really nice shade of purple. It's giving, she has a tan and it's still popping. Shout out to my girl Shaniqua, High Frequency Tea on Instagram. She's on my page, so I follow her. She makes an amazing body butter. It's made out of chaga, C-H-A-G-A. That's kept my skin, I mean, I use it in place of sunblock because it's kind of like a natural sunblock. So before and after, not a peel, not a burn. And this is going through Belize, Italy, the Bahamas, and then now Mexico. So just in case y'all wanted the tea on that.
So it's 4:30 in the morning. Like I said, I would be up. The good thing is that everything is pretty much packed. I'm just putting the little cubes into the boys' suitcases now. I'll show you real quick. Down here, my suitcase is still just kind of things thrown on top of it. At this point, when it comes to traveling with the boys on vacation, it ain't about me. I just want to have a good time with them. Doesn't really matter what I got going on in my suitcase. Give me a couple swimsuits, some cover-ups, throw on some dresses for dinner, call it a day. Kota, you all right? You ready to fly?
No, we know I'm ready to fly. We tired.
You sad?
He's tired. We woke him up early in the morning.
Oh, are you sad that Daddy's not coming with us?
Cap. Sus.
Who's acting sus? Dad's acting sus?
Yeah.
How am I acting sus?
Literally over there it said Devale and Kadeem.
No, they said Kadeem and
Dakota. They did say.
Kadeem and
They had to
Dakota.
verify our
You
passports.
just said that 6 of us? Sus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why you gonna give me the school
I only
face?
said because I'm always accustomed to saying there's 6 of
How
us.
many of y'all? She just said how many because
No,
Because it's mad of us.
And then, alright, y'all go. Y'all sus.
Ain't nobody being sus.
Kota is not amused. Kota said, you know
Kota
what,
said
y'all?
he tired.
You know what? Just get me to bed.
What's your boarding pass? Make sure you got your boarding pass.
So whose boarding pass is there?
That's Kaz. My God.
That's Kaz. You got one, did I?
Yeah, I got a boarding pass.
And you?
And
Coming.
I'm coming. Yes.
Did you know?
I knew he was sus. I told you I was sus.
I ain't know nothing.
Meanwhile, Kaz don't care. Kaz just tired. I know, buddy. Go ahead, baby. I know you're tired. Got him. Got him, Jackson. Got him. Got him. Got him, Cairo.
We knew
You
it.
didn't know nothing.
Probably about to happen.
Daddy's about to surprise his family,
They have
Papa's
no
and
idea.
everybody. Yeah, we were like 2.5. He think he made up time 2 in the air because we left 30 minutes late too. So yeah. He don't
Just
know.
got your bags off quick.
Yep, everything was right there. Bag, stroller, everything. I was like, boom, boom, boom.
Just check your bags.
Yeah. The only thing we got stopped on was they took Kaz's apples out his bag. The dog sniffed it out.
Yeah, yeah.
And they didn't eat it on the plane, so yeah. Right. My eyes are just. You see the height, right? It's crazy. That's crazy. I said, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's everybody like, huh? Everybody say, huh? Ah! That's crazy.
What's up?
Oh, that was a good one. Gotcha.
I'm about to wait to tell me if you can go get Kay. I can't go get Kay by herself.
Game's all here.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah. Good job. I was waiting for you to do your reveal. I was like, where's he at? Did we get him good, Kazi? Yeah, we got him good. We got him good, y'all. Good job, gang. Well, he surprised them this morning. He walked us all the way to the gate and we told him that he was just helping us with the bags. And then Jackson was like, you have a boarding pass though? He was putting 2 and 2 together. Yeah, he had his bag too, right?